Before you pack your bags and set sail, there's something you need to know. Cruise lines have just banned 7 surprising items in 2025, and some of them might already be on your packing list. For senior travelers especially, being aware of these restrictions can save you frustration and disappointment during your voyage. From everyday essentials to unexpected restrictions, these new rules will definitely make you think twice. Stay tuned, because number 5 is something many seniors bring with them without a second thought. Let's dive into the first bizarre item: coffee creamer. Yep, that's right. While cruise lines offer a variety of coffee options, many guests prefer to bring their own flavored creamers. However, large bottles of coffee creamer are now officially banned. Carnival Cruise Line clarified that only small, sealed individual packets are allowed. This is banned due to liquid safety and security concerns. For seniors with specific dietary needs or who rely on specialized non-dairy creamers for health reasons, this restriction can be particularly challenging. Many older travelers count on a morning coffee ritual for comfort and regularity while traveling. I know that I do. Planning ahead by packing single-serve packets or researching the ship's available options can prevent that early morning disappointment. Did you know there's another everyday item that's banned for similar reasons? Let's take a look. For years, savvy travelers have packed wrinkle release sprays to keep their cruise outfits looking fresh. However, aerosol cans of products like Downy Wrinkle Release or Lysol are now prohibited. The reason? Aerosols can be flammable and pose a risk to ship safety. This ban particularly affects senior travelers who often prefer to look their best while dining and socializing on board. Many rely on wrinkle release sprays to maintain appearance without the hassle of ironing. Additionally, seniors who are conscious about hygiene and surface sanitation may regularly use Lysol sprays. Fortunately, travel-sized pump sprays and disinfectant wipes are still allowed as alternatives. Planning ahead with non-aerosol options ensures that you're still going to look great for your formal nights. And speaking of surprising bans, wait till you hear the next one. This one's not surprising, but it's surprising to me that it happens. It may seem harmless, but passengers are not allowed to sell anything on a cruise ship, including Girl Scout cookies. A recent clarification from Carnival Cruise Line made it clear that no fundraising or personal sales are permitted. Many seniors are actively involved in community organizations and fundraising efforts, whether it's selling raffle tickets for the local senior center or gathering orders for a grandchild's school fundraiser. This restriction can catch older travelers off guard. Some seniors supplement retirement income through small crafts and network marketing, but these activities must be put on hold during a cruise. Understanding this rule can help avoid potentially embarrassing situations with cruise staff. Now, let's switch gears to a ban that directly affects your poolside comfort and safety. While water shoes are allowed on beaches and private islands, they are now banned from cruise ship pools. Why? Because cruise lines are reporting that the textured soles can damage the pool liners. This restriction has significant implications for seniors with mobility concerns. Many older travelers rely on water shoes for additional traction and fall prevention on wet surfaces. Without these shoes in the pool, seniors need to be extra cautious about the slippery surfaces. The good news is that water shoes are still permitted on excursions and beaches. Consider bringing alternative footwear like slip-resistant flip-flops for walking around the pool deck, and inquire about pool accessibility features before your cruise. Now, there's another surprising ban that involves how you express yourself on board. And it might be more controversial than you think. Hanging flags on balconies. Whether it's a sports team flag or a national banner, hanging flags on stateroom balconies is now completely prohibited. Cruise lines cite aesthetic reasons and safety concerns, particularly with flammable materials. Many seniors take pride in representing their heritage, veteran status, or favorite sports team through flags and banners. For veterans or patriotic seniors accustomed to displaying flags, this restriction may feel particularly limiting. Additionally, some seniors use personalized door decorations or balcony markers to help them remember their cabin location. Understanding these policies before packing cherished flags or markers can prevent disappointment. But perhaps the most surprising ban of all involves a classic cruise pastime, and it might change how you socialize. Gambling between passengers. While casinos and bingo nights are cruise staples, private gambling between passengers is now strictly prohibited. Organizing poker games or betting with fellow travelers is not allowed, even in casual settings. This restriction particularly affects seniors who enjoy organizing card games as a way to socialize and make new friends on board. Many older travelers look forward to friendly poker nights or mahjong tournaments with travel companions. Understanding that these activities must remain non-monetary helps seniors plan appropriate social activities that comply with cruise regulations. The ship's official casino and organized bingo games remain excellent alternatives for those who enjoy gaming stakes. Now, most people know that real weapons are completely prohibited, but did you know that even toy versions are now off limits? This includes things like Nerf guns, toy lightsabers, and any kind of replicas. Cruise lines enforce this rule to maintain security and prevent misunderstandings. While this might seem to affect families with children, many seniors traveling with grandchildren need to be aware of this restriction. Nothing dampens a grandparent's cruise experience faster than having to explain to a disappointed grandchild why their special toy was confiscated. For seniors planning multi-generational trips, communicating these restrictions to family members before boarding is essential. We know that planning a cruise getaway can be overwhelming, especially when keeping track of changing regulations. That's why we've prepared a free downloadable cruise packing list specifically designed with senior travelers in mind. Just scan the QR code on your screen. It unlocks a handy packing list tailored for mature travelers. Don't miss out. These bans may seem strange, but cruise lines are always updating their rules to ensure passenger safety and a smooth sailing experience. For senior travelers especially, knowing these restrictions in advance can make the difference between a stressful trip and a truly relaxing voyage. Which of these bans surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise tips and insider secrets designed with mature travelers in mind. Happy cruising and see you on board.